Good morning, children. Welcome back to GK session. Today we are going to learn lesson number 22 computer virus, lesson number 23 net savvy, and lesson number 24 fascinating fungus. So first one, computer virus. A computer virus is a dangerous computer program that invades the computer system through an email attachment, a download, or a website. It is a type of software that replicates itself by modifying other computer programs and inserting its own code. That means a computer virus, it is a dangerous computer program, and this will get into the computer system through, it may be through an email or a download or through a website. And this type of software, it modify all the computer programs and it will insert its own code. So otherwise this virus will hack the computer. Now, given below are the pictures of some well-known personalities who created famous computer malware. Read the descriptions and name them with the help of clue box. So here given some of the personalities who have prepared or who have developed the computer viruses. So let us see one by one. First one is, he developed the virus named Melissa in the year 1999, and his name is David L. Smith. You can see here this person is the one who developed the virus named Melissa, and he developed it in the year 1999. Next one you can see here is one Jas Chan, and he created the computer virus Caesar worm in the year 2004. So Caesar worm computer virus is invented by Sven Jastan. Next one is Rich Skirnda, and he developed the computer virus Elk Cloner in the year 1982. Moving on to the next one is Robert Tapan Morris, and he created the first computer worm on the internet called Morris worm in 1988. So he created the computer worm. And the fifth one is Friedrich Skulason, and this one is the personality, and he developed the ghost ball virus in the year 1989. Now let us move on to the file of fact. An antivirus software is used to prevent, detect and remove computer virus, worms and Trojan horse. So for all these virus hacking, a antivirus software is being developed in order to prevent and to detect and also to remove these computer viruses. Okay. Now let us move on to the next lesson. Next lesson is net savvy. Here net savvy means the internet is a network of networks that comprises millions of smaller domestic business and government networks. So internet, you know that it is the network of network, and it includes smaller domestic business as well as government networks. Here given is, fill in the blanks with the help of clue box. So we have to fill in the blanks. Here some answers are given in the clue box. You can use it to fill in the blanks. First one, the dash was the world's first network. Answer is ARPANET. It was the world's first network, and it was the predecessor of the global internet. Actually, now what we are using is, and its predecessor was ARPANET. Next one is, the World Wide Web is a system of interlinked hypertext documents that run over the internet. You can see or you can refer to any documents using this World Wide Web. Otherwise www, say series of website. Next one, the web was created in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee. So this web was created by Tim Berners-Lee during the year 1989, and Robert Caillou working at CERN in Geneva, Switzerland. So Tim Berners-Lee and Robert Caillou created the web in 1989. Fourth one is, dash is a way of sending, storing and receiving messages through the internet. Answer is email, otherwise electronic mail, and we usually use this for sending, storing and receiving messages through internet. Next one, dash internet access is a high speed transmission rate internet connection. It is often called high-speed internet. Answer is broadband. In most of the houses you can see broadband connection now. It will provide us with high-speed internet. Next one, a person with a dash enabled device such as a computer, cell phone or PDA can connect to the internet when in proximity of an access point. Answer is Wi-Fi. So if you are connected with Wi-Fi enabled device, you can use the internet in the proximity of an access point. Next one, Dash is a project that intends to make the web more intelligent. Answer is semantics. So semantics is the project which intend to make the web more intelligent. Question number 8. Dash are unsolicited bulk messages sent through the internet which are generally undesired. Answer is spam, and these are unsolicited bulk messages and it is sent through the internet which is undesirable. Okay, ninth one, a dash is a person who spends an excessive amount of time on the internet. Answer is netizen. So the one who spends more time on internet is called as netizen. Moving on to the next one. Next one is smart dust are tiny electronic devices in the form of dust particles which contain sensors and can be used for wireless communication. So smart dust, these are tiny electronic devices. It looks like dust particles, but even though it looks like dust particles, it contains sensors and can be used for wireless communication, and it is known as smart dust. 11th one, a browser is a software application which allows a user to display and interact with information such as text, video, music, etc. on the internet or local area network. So we are using different browsers like Chrome, Google, like that, Internet Explorer. These are different types of browsers, and all these are software application which allows the user to display and interact with information such as text, video, music, etc. on the internet. Okay, next one is dash is a symbol in email messages which resembles a human expression but is made of punctuation mark. Answer is emote icon, and it is a all emojis. It is a symbol in email messages. It resembles to human expressions, but it is made up of punctuation marks. Okay, now let us move on to the next lesson. Next lesson is fascinating fungus. Here, different fungus about different fungus it is discussing. And what are fungus? The fungi are amazing organisms that are most widely distributed on the earth and are of great environmental and medicinal importance. So you can see fungus, they are organisms which are most widely distributed on the earth and they have some environmental and medical importance. So let us see some of them. See here, read the descriptions and match them with their pictures by writing the correct letters in the boxes. So here some descriptions are being given. You can see the picture also. You have to match the picture with the descriptions given. So first one is, this fungus is used in pizza toppings and soups. You can find this fungus on pizza toppings and soups, and the answer is mushroom, option C. You can see mushroom in the pizza topping as well as in soups. Actually mushroom is a type of fungus. Second one is the ugly black fungus that grows underground. Despite its look, it is considered a delicacy. You can see the option E, that is truffle. It is very black in color and ugly black. Even though it is looking like it is considered as a delicacy. Third one, this black brown sauce used in Chinese cooking is also prepared with the help of a fungus. Answer is option B, soya sauce. This is black brown in color and it is used with the help of fungus. Next one, fourth one, a fungal infection of the skin. You can see here this is ringworm. It is a type of fungal infection and usually the doctor suggests Ringgold for all these types of infection. It will be very itchy. Next one, fifth one, when fungus and algae live together in a mutually beneficial relationship, they form this organism which spreads over walls, trees and surface of the rocks. Okay, answer is option G. You can see option G here, lichen. And when fungus and algae live together, when they are in good relationship, that is in mutually beneficial relationship, they form this organism. So both of them together form this organism, and it is spread over walls, trees. You can see this usually during the rainy season. Okay, so this will spread over walls, trees and surface of the rocks, and the answer is lichen. Next one, question number 6. Toadstools are poisonous mushrooms. The flaps under their caps are called by this name. So answer is option D, gills, and it look very beautiful, but they are poisonous mushrooms. The flaps under the caps, you can see the flaps under its cap are called by this name. So these flaps are called by this name, and toadstool is its name, and these are the poisonous mushrooms. Okay, next one, seventh one. Fungi are the decomposers of earth when aided by these microorganisms. Answer is option I, bacteria is the answer, and these bacteria are the decomposers of earth, and with the help of microorganisms, these bacteria help earth in decomposition. Question number 8. Fungus is added to this milk product for curing. Answer is cheese. Option A, cheese. So fungus is added to the milk to make this product. Question number 9. It is the process of fungus feeding of sugar and turning it into alcohol. Answer is F, fermentation. So fermentation is the process by which fungus feeding is done on sugar, and it is converted into alcohol. Okay. Now moving on to the last question. A powerful antibiotic drug is prepared with this fungus. Answer is option J, that is penicillin. So this penicillin is prepared with the help of the fungus. Now phylofact. The fungus ergot causes hallucination, forcing people to see things which are not actually there. So a fungus named ergot, it can make people in hallucination. That means they will think that they are seeing some things which are not actually present. Okay, so by this we have completed this lesson. So let us wind up the session for today. Thank you.